Breaking news: bomb explosion on Dortmund's team bus, 1 injured. Dortmund have tweeted, "1 injured after explosion involving Borussia Dortmund bus." Ahead of Monaco clash, it has been reported there was an explosion around 6 miles away from the Westfalenstadion in Hoxton. The Borussia Dortmund team bus has been involved in an incident ahead of their Champions League clash with Monaco. It has been reported there was an explosion around 6 miles away from the Westfalenstadion in Hoxton. 1 person has reportedly been injured. We'll be bringing you the very latest updates, pictures and video on this breaking news story.